In this video, we're going to work on the core part of the application. So inside the core, let's create an index.ts file. So what do we have here? Let's create some nice decorators for the HTTP and our controller, right? So first, we're going to import, as always, import reflect metadata. So after importing that, we're also going to import the following from Express. We're going to request from Express. So request response from Express. So we're going to define a type here called HTTP method. So what do we have here? So we'll have the HTTP method as get or post or delete or those methods. I know you get them. Patch. For now, I'm going to end at that point. Get, post, delete, patch. Oh, let me just add put for the sake, so that you don't say, oh, you didn't add put. Now you added it. Thank you. So we're going to export this function called export function. We're creating a decorator here, so we're going to add for the function, and the function is going to call controller. So our controller is going to take our base route. Base route of type string, default to empty, right? And we're going to return an anonymous function. Return function with the target, as always, target any. Right. So, all right. Just a moment. So let's call the reflect dot define metadata. So what are we defining? We're defining a base route, right? And from the base route on our target. So for the controller decorator, that's all. So on all your controllers, on your all class controllers, you just mark here at controller, then you define your base route, right? And that does the thing. What we've just done this here will do the thing. The next is the next we're going to create is we are going to create a HTTP decorator. So let's create a function here called create HTTP decorator. So the method here, the HTTP methods, you know them, we define them up here. So we're going to have them there, right? And we're going to return two anonymous function, right? So return the first function will will take a path, right? And the path will be of type string. Autocomplete is busy. Autocomplete, stop being busy. We're also going to return another function. Let me just duplicate this to move quickly. But the idea is not to move quickly, the idea is to get you to understand what we are doing. So as always, target type any, and property key, string, a symbol. Also going to have a descriptor. So the descriptor is should be a property descriptor. Property descriptor is here, right? Okay, let's move into the function. So what do you want to do here? First, let's get the original methods. So const original method. So this should be descriptor dot value. That is that. The next is we want to assign the value so that it intercepts every request and response that we make, right? We want the descriptor value to intercept all those, right? So let's continue. So descriptor dot value, let's update it with our anonymous function. Let's think away that function anyway. I don't want an arrow function, I just want this normal function. So this function here will take in request of type request, response of type response, and so we're going to try. Things may happen sometime in future, which I don't know yet, but things do happen in code. Everybody knows that. So let's just get the body from the request. Const body body equals to request body. So this is to ensure that our body will be properly passed. So next is const. We want to call the original method with the request body, right? So we're going to call it result. We're not going to await anything. Yeah, we should await actually. Await. So we're going to wait the original method, not descriptor. Original method, and we're going to call it on here on our body. Autocomplete, hang on, stop being ridiculous. Anyway, let's continue. So that, right, and then we are going to check. We're going to check if we have headers in our response. Otherwise, if there are no headers, we do the necessary. If not response, right? If not response dot headers. Sent. I don't think, is this the right spelling? Header sent. Yep. If not, we're going to check if again. Many ifs, but bear with me. We're going to check if the result itself is undefined. Surely if the result is defined, who are we not to send the following? Yeah, I'm going to send that actually, and we end the response. And we end. We simply stop moving. Yeah. After that, we move to send the result. JSON, then we pass in the result. That's it, right? What if we caught some malicious errors? Actually, but errors. To be on the safer side, let's log them first so that we can use that to debug our silly mistake as always. So the error was in. Where was the error on? So it will tell us where we get the error. So the error occurred at that method the error occurred at that method. Did I call it method? No, it's this method. Anyway, that's funny. Third. Anyway, that I've used it again. That bad name. Just there. No. Oh yeah. Okay. So the method. It occurred at that method. For that path. This is just to trace your errors well, right? And actually the error, the exact error, right? So we are done with the try catch block. So let's move down here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 here. So yep, outside there, outside here, right? Yeah. So let's define the following. Call the reflect, and we want to define metadata. So we're defining a path here, right? For path, right? And also the target, and also the property key. That is for that. The next is for method. On the method, on the target, on the property key. Now let's export our giants. So export. Let's export our methods, HTTP methods. Export const the get. No way. Get. So the get will be create that, and we pass our nice looking HTTP method that, and we proceed with the rest. After get is post, after post is put, after put is delete, after delete is patch. So this will be post. No way. post put delete patch. No way. All right, so that is that. So right now we have not done anything that substantial, but we are making progress to simplify our work to achieve many things that we are going to achieve, right? We're going to end this video at this point, and in the next video we are going to start writing our simple controllers, right? So see you guys in the next video.